My name is Harry Thomas and welcome to Think Future, Feel Now. Think Future, Feel Now is a unique meditative healing experience. It combines visualization, meditation and a full body experience. This video is the introductory video to the Think Future, Feel Now concept. And once you understand how it's been created and what to do, you can now go straight onto the meditations. Think Future, Feel Now is being broken down into 3 segments: past, present and future. My job is just to make things simple, so once you're in this experience, you can come up with all your own answers to all the questions. We're always told, be present, be in the now. But there's a flaw to it when we look at it from one perspective, because if I'm stressed and I've got a lot of worries in my life and I'm saying, be present, I'm still stressed, I'm still worrying, and it's hard to detach from that. So I'm going to ask you to now look at it from 2 perspectives. One's thought, the other one's feeling. Your feeling's the true present moment, that is truth. I think about my past, but that worry, that stress, that's now. I worry about my future, and it hasn't even happened yet. But that worry, that stress, that anxiety, that's now. So I help people come back to their feelings because that is the true present moment. There's 2 parts to this. As human beings, we often find it hard to express our feelings because we worry about what other people think. The second part to this is I want you to imagine all the thoughts above your heads. Whenever we go into meditation, so many people say they can't clear the thoughts, they can't quieten the mind. So imagine this mind, these thoughts are a thunderstorm. It's chaotic, it's noisy, and it's going off at 100 miles an hour. Whilst you're hearing all this noise, the one thing that you can't hear is your gut feeling. We could say that's your intuition. We could go one deeper, that's your soul. And your soul is trying to communicate with you all the time. The beauty of meditation is for you to connect to your soul, your inner wisdom, and that is where all your answers take place. It's a feeling, that's the experience. So coming back to Think Future, Feel Now. If we don't know our future, we can worry about it. It hasn't happened yet. We can do the opposite, we can get excited about it. Our dream life, the life that we deserve. The trouble is that most of the time we don't know what we want. We don't know who's been there, and we don't know how to get there. So we get stuck on what we don't want from the past, but again, that feeling's now. So throughout this experience, with my words and the music, I'm going to guide you to your future whilst you create it. And I want you to think future, but feel it now. So going into the experiences, they are very creative. So the first thing that I'm going to ask is for your permission to let go. To let go of any perceptions that you have in meditation, let go of any previous experiences you have of meditation, and let go of judgment. You're going to be going to creative spaces and it's just you within this space. So let go of judgment and let go of the ego. Whilst you're in these experiences, the ego will show itself, but you're now going to become the observer. And once you become the observer, you can make some powerful changes within your life. The second one is your breath. Throughout this process, I refer to just one breath. I want your breath to start deep inside the stomach, your root chakra. And effortlessly, you're going to breathe in through your nose and pull that breath all the way up. Effortlessly to the top of the head, but I'm going to ask you to go 10 inches above. This is your place of bliss, your universal chakra. I just want to quickly show you how powerful the breath is. So if you close your eyes for me, you're going to take just one breath. You're going to pull it up all the way above the head. Now whilst you're there, I want you to think of a loved one, smiling, laughing, an uncontrollable amount of joy. Now quickly open your eyes, and as you breathe out, I want you to send all that straight back into the body again. And what I want you to realise is that no matter what is happening in this outside world, in that one moment there was a chemical change that took place within your body. you feel happier in one breath. And that's how simple, not easy, but that's how simple it is to come back to present moment every time. And with these experiences, it's going to help you do that. So that is the intro to Think Future Feel Now. It's that concept every single time. I want you to imagine that you are the observer, and when you go through the experiences, you're going to now notice your thoughts. The thoughts will always be there. So imagine if you was looking out of the window and all the thoughts were the clouds. They were just passing your eye line. Happy clouds, stormy clouds, thundery clouds. But all you're doing is noticing. Tap into your feeling. What is that feeling? Where is that feeling? And that is an example of becoming the observer. It's awareness. Each meditation experience is going to be very creative. Each meditation experience is going to have a different theme. And every person takes away their own unique experience from it. So whatever answers you need to get, they will come. If there's a decision to be made, you'll get the answer. If you want to get out of your head, this will take you to another place. If you just want to relax, you're going to tap straight into your body. You're going to feel that calmness. So it's all about setting the intention before going into the meditation. I'm going to make that job easier for you with a number of different themes. And again, always coming back to just let go of judgment. Turn up, let go, and just be. Enjoy the moment, and whatever comes up for you will come up for you. And at the very least, you get around 12 minutes plus to yourself. Undistracted, uninterrupted. That alone is what we all need right now. So please click on to any of the meditation experiences. See what comes up for you, and please leave a comment below. Guys, please remember to subscribe. I'm going to take you into your first unique Think Future, Feel Now experience.